How to manage enterprise level accounts on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your enterprise account using your credentials. Once you are in, go to the account dashboard or enterprise panel. This section is specifically built for managing large-scale audio and video processing tasks. Now navigate to Team Management, where you can add new users, assign roles like admin or member, and set access level to control what each user can do. Then explore the Billing and Subscription tab. Enterprise plans follow pay-as-you-go model and support unlimited processing minutes, larger file sizes up to 10 GB, and batch uploads, ideal for music level, audio software developers, or transcription companies. You will also find API management tools. Lalal.ai's Enterprise API allows you to integrate stream separation, voice cleaning, and custom workflows directly into your platform, app, or service. Everything is processed on Lalal.ai server for maximum speed and quality. And that's it. Now you know how to manage enterprise level accounts on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.